After a difficult trading year in 2023-24, the decision has been taken to press ahead to try and secure funding for the regeneration of a large part of the stables site. The proposals include completion of the cafe and production kitchens to fit them out and make them functional spaces. The riding school would be reimagined as our main event space, with a capacity of around 600 guests. The old carriage houses will be used to create a private dining area and indoor breakout spaces. And the riding school courtyard will be landscaped for use as an outdoor event space and outdoor breakout spaces for events. We will also seek to create areas for new business units and overnight accommodation, and to complete the new visitor approach from the car park and into the stables. This will include the creation of office and retail spaces as well as new visitor toilets. It's an absolutely massive project.